Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Pouring with Pilar. If you're new, I'm Pilar, this is my bar, and over here we express ourselves in the kitchen through making drinks. Now it is spooky season, but since it's October, it is also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I wanted to be able to use my platform here to talk to you guys a little bit about your wellness checks, your annual wellness checks that you have to do at your doctor's office. But before we get into all that, let's introduce the real star of the show, today's drink. Today we're going to be making kind of a mouthful. It is a strawberry Dalgona White Chocolate Mocha Latte, and that sounds overwhelming, but I'm here to break it down for you. So the Dalgona part, I'm drawing inspiration from the South Korean Dalgona coffee. Now that coffee, you probably heard of it because it was really trending on like Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that at the start of quarantine because everybody wanted to make it. All that recipe is like a glass of milk with like a coffee kind of whipped cream on top, and it's really silky and tasty and smooth. But today I'm gonna be making mine pink because it's pink month. I mean, it's spooky month, but it's pink month too, you know? So I'm gonna be making a strawberry version of that. All you're gonna need for this drink is some strawberry Nesquik, heavy whipping cream, white chocolate creamer, cold brew, some beaters, and a bowl. So let's get started. Alrighty. This drink is super, I feel like I say super so much, but I'm so excited about it because it's really easy, but it also looks like you put a lot of effort in. So I have 2 tablespoons of the strawberry Nesquik, 4 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream, and now I am going to beat it. I'm gonna beat it on like a medium setting for about 1 to 2 minutes. And what I'm gonna look for as I'm beating it is very light peaks. I made this recipe with my boyfriend a couple days ago, and he's actually a culinary school graduate, and so he was giving me some notes on doing this. He said you don't want the peaks to be too stiff because if they are, it's not gonna like settle into your drink, it's just gonna sit on top. So like I said, 1 to 2 minutes, you want it to be a very light cream. Alrighty. All right, so I just finished whipping this up. And if you can see, it's still pretty drippy, but that's okay because the ice that we're gonna add to our drink is gonna catch all that and keep it afloat. So I'm gonna start to make my coffee. Again, I'm using my reusable ice cubes. You are probably sick of hearing it, but I am not sick of using them. So I'm gonna use a little handful of those guys. And then my cold brew. Whew, that smell just hit me in the face. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of this dude. That's too much. I got overzealous with my cold brew because the smell distracted me. All right. I'm gonna add my white mocha creamer. And I use white mocha creamer instead of just like a regular vanilla or anything because the white mocha flavor really complements the strawberry without making it too sweet or sugary or anything like that. So it's sweet and it's complimentary, but it's not like something your 13-year-old kid would order from Starbucks. In fact, I don't even think Dalgona is at Starbucks. I don't know. Starbucks, you guys need to like represent me or something because I'm name dropping you all the time. Okay. You know what? I want you guys to see how silky smooth this is. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I get really excited. Oh my gosh. You guys can't. Oh my god. It doesn't matter because it's mine. I'm so excited. I have made this drink maybe like 3 or 4 times before, but I still get super excited every time I make it. Are you going to show me? Yes. I'm so excited. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. It sounds strange because it's strawberry and coffee, but the heavy whipping cream and the white chocolate mocha, like I said, it makes it so it's not a stark flavor transition. So that's really, really good. Like I said at the start of this video, I wanted to use my platform, Pouring with Pilar, to talk about your wellness checks. Breast Cancer Month is pretty important. We've had kind of a history of breast cancer survivors in my family, so it's important to my mom and I that anytime we have something like a mammogram or anything like that on the books, that we go and we make sure that we're good and we check our bodies and our health regularly. So I encourage you guys to do the same, especially in this year, 2020. Just keep your heads afloat and keep your bodies healthy, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And if you try this, please let me know, because it's great. It's amazing. All right. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye.
Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.